Welcome to this step-by-step guide designed to show you how to add a shadow effect in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, navigate through the user interface, and apply a custom shadow to your site design using the built-in style editor. The process is simple and straightforward, and by following these instructions, you will soon enhance the visual depth and sophistication of your website. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, take a moment to locate the login option. You will find this option by moving your cursor to the top right corner of the page. The login button is easily identifiable, and clicking it will take you to the authentication page. When the login page loads, you will notice several convenient login options. For this guide, select the option that says Continue with Google so that you can use your Google account to sign in. After clicking Continue with Google, a list of accounts associated with your Google login will be displayed, and you simply need to choose the account you wish to use. This method offers a quick and secure way to access your WordPress dashboard without the hassle of remembering additional passwords. After successfully logging into your account, you should see your WordPress dashboard with various shortcuts and tools. Locate the section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, you will find a concise list of actions available to you. Look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This action will open the site editor where you can begin customizing the appearance and functionality of your website. Once the site editor has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find an icon representing styles. Clicking this icon brings you into a dedicated area where you can adjust various style settings for your site. This area houses powerful customization options that allow you to control colors, fonts, and in this case shadows that can enhance your design. Within the Style Customization panel, you will see an option for shadows. Click on the Shadows option to bring up a menu that displays a variety of shadow effects. These effects have been designed to add an element of depth and dimension to your website. As you view this section, take your time to familiarize yourself with the multiple options available. Each option represents a different style of drop shadow that can be applied to elements on your site. After you have explored the available shadow options, choose your default drop shadow. This selection will serve as the standard shadow effect across your website. By picking a drop shadow that complements your site's design theme, you are not only improving the aesthetics, but you are also ensuring consistency throughout your website layout. Once you have made your selection, the new shadow style will be automatically applied to the design elements as part of your overall site's style settings. Following these steps will help you quickly add a modern and stylish shadow effect to your WordPress website. Every action in this guide has been designed to be approachable and efficient, so that even if you are new to website customization, you can confidently follow along and achieve professional results in just minutes. Enjoy customizing your site with this simple yet effective enhancement.